Shivaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to the Glaze Studio. Today I am working on the detailing of the jewelry. So what I started to do is to take this burnt umber to do the darker tonalities. I think you can see the difference here between the ones that I have worked versus the ones that is yet to be done. This is still on the lighter side. So I'm just darkening all those areas. And then once it is darkened, then it's easy for us to do the highlights with the gems and pearls, whatever should go on top. Then the effect will be even nicer. So that's what I want to do. I started with the crown of Vishnu and moved on working on the crowns of Adishesha as well. So I'm right now somewhere here, and the plan is to just go ahead with that today with this burnt umber. Burnt umber luckily dries up a little faster, so it's easier. Maybe in about 24 hours it's ready for us to work on again on this, so it will not take that much time. And so yeah, I would definitely go on working here and on the belt and gada, on the jewelry that Brahmaji has, and then Lakshmi Devi. Once that is done, then I would like to move on to this painting. This is 3 days back I had done the paint, the layer 2, which is now almost dried up, but in some places it's still sticky. It's coming out in my hand. So just to avoid taking any further risk, I would really let it sit. Maybe tomorrow it should be okay to start testing, or even day after will be even better. So that's what I want to do. Wait for a couple of days, but it's not waiting because we will be working on the other painting. I didn't get a chance to work on this painting last week. Hopefully, I'll be able to switch now between those two paintings and this as well. So ideally, at least one day on each of the painting would be possible, given that the coming days are going to be extremely busy with some travels in between as well. So yeah, 3 days at least out of a week can be expected. When I get lucky, maybe a little more. So that's what, when I begin, I want to work on the little ones first, and then the jewelry and detailing. Maybe I can also switch between something lighter here, as in the mountain itself. Could be something interesting, easy to work on. There's also a layer to be done for the background. So there's a lot, definitely. This is at a starting level, so there's a lot to be done. So that can be explored. I am also recording this for the B-rolls that will go into our Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali weekly vlogs that I record. So this will form the B-rolls as well. So I'm trying to do that, and while I am painting, I also listen to something here, and today I'm listening to Devi Bhagavatam. That's inspiring me for the day. I hope that Sri Vishnu helps me in giving the best for this painting as well. Wishing you all a blessed day and a blessed week ahead. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay motivated until we meet next time. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Jai Shri Ram. Om Shri Matre Namaha.